Hello everyone, welcome to Sahu Education. Dear student, today we will discuss some applications related to linear equation in one variable of class 8. Let us come to the question. Here given present age of Anu and Raj are in the ratio 4:5. 8 years from now, the ratio of their present age will be 5:6. Then find their present age. So here we'll take, let the present age of Anu be 4x and Raj be 5x. Now write the present age of Anu is equal to 4x years and Raj equal to 5x years. Next, 8 years from now, Anu's age will be 4x plus 8 years and Raj is equal to 5x plus 8 years, and given the age will be in the ratio of 5:6. So we'll write 4x plus 8 divided by 5x plus 8 as equal to 5/6. Now this is in complex form. We'll simplify to simplest form by cross multiplying. So we'll cross multiply. So 6 will multiply with the 4x plus 8 and 5 will multiply with the 5x plus 8. Next step, we multiply 6 with 4x as well as with 8. Similarly, 5 will multiply with 5x as well as with 8. So, multiply 6 4 is 24x plus 48 equal to 25x plus 40. Now we'll transpose 48 minus 40 is equal to 25x minus 24x. So we get here x equal to 80 years. And we know the present age of Anu is 4x years. So therefore we will write, therefore present age of Anu is equal to 4x, that is 4 into 8, that is 32 years, and Raj, as it's 5x, so 5 into 8 as 40 years. Now come to question number 2. Here it's given the age of Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Find their present ages. So we'll take here the present age of Hari is 5x years and Harry will be 7x years. Let us write the present age of Hari is equal to 5x years and Harry is equal to 7x years. Then 4 years from now. 4 years from now, age of Hari is equal to 5x plus 4 years, and Harry is equal to 7x plus 4 years. And it's given after 4 years their ages will be in the ratio of 3:4. So we'll write 5x plus 4 divided by 7x plus 4 is equal to 3/4. Now we'll reduce this equation to the simpler form by cross multiplying. So we'll multiply here 4 with 5x plus 4 and 3 with 7x plus 4. Next 4 will multiply with 5x as well as 4. So 20x plus 16 is equal to, similarly 3 will multiply with 7x as well as with 4. So 3 7 is 21x plus 12. Now we'll transpose 16 minus 12 is equal to 21x minus 20x. So we'll get x is equal to 4 years. Then the present age have to find out. So 5x, that is 5 into 4, 20 years, and we'll write down 7x, that is 7 into 4, 28 years. Hence we can write, hence the present age of Hari equal to 20 years and Harry is equal to 28 years. Now come to question number 3. Let us see here that the question number 3 says the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. So from that statement we have to take numerator as x and denominator as x plus 8. So let us write down, let the numerator is equal to x, then denominator is equal to x plus 8. Then the rational number is equal to x by x plus 8. And second point is given, if the numerator is increased by 17 and denominator is decreased by 1, the number of 10 will become 3/2. So we'll add 17 with the numerator and decrease 1 in the denominator, and this is equal to 3/2. So we'll write this as x plus 17 divided by x plus 7 is equal to 3/2. Now we'll cross multiply to reduce the equation to simpler form. So 2 whole of x plus 17 is equal to 3 whole of x plus 7. We'll multiply now. It's 2x plus 34 is equal to 3x plus 21. So we'll exchange 3x minus 2x is equal to 34 minus 21. So we'll write down here x equal to 34 minus 21, that is 13. So x is 13 and it's given, find out then the rational number. We know the rational number is x by x plus 80. Therefore the rational number is equal to 13 divided by 13 plus 8 is equal to 13 by 21. If you don't have subscribed our channel Sahu Education, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for all notification. Thank you.